Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You join me here today at Saxon Court on Guys Cliffe Avenue in the prime North Leamington Spa location, within a short walk to the town centre with all of its amenities. This is a luxury 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, spacious apartment and has a southwesterly balcony, off-street parking and communal gardens. The property also benefits from a lift, share of the freehold and a 999-year lease. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.